How to download SoundCloud for your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can get the official SoundCloud application for your Android device and also get free music from it. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Google Play Store by tapping onto the Play Store app icon. And once you are inside the Google Play Store, simply click onto this search option at the bottom and search for SoundCloud. Then simply hit the search bar again and you will see this application, which is SoundCloud Play Music and Songs. You can also see the publisher name, which is SoundCloud itself, and also it has around 100 million plus downloads. So now in order to install this in your Android device, simply click onto this install button and wait for the application to get installed and also downloaded in your mobile device. Now once it will download, it will install it, and once it is ready to open, you can simply click onto this open button and now you can see that we are in SoundCloud. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.